Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Here at Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, we know you're just like us. You love to overland, you love to camp, you love to go canoeing, maybe biking, something like that. Any number of things, Charlie. How can Rhino Rack help me for any of my adventures?
We like to make space for adventure at Rhino Rack. So whether you're biking, hiking, skiing, camping, overlanding, we want to help you outfit your vehicles on those adventures. So we've got a variety of accessories and racks and systems that get you out into the woods to help you do that, or down to the beach, or off to the mall. Whatever it is you want to do with your automobile, wherever you want to take it, we want to be a part of it and help you make space to do it.
I know Rhino Rack loves two things, durability and versatility. Let's first talk about the durability. How are the racks from Rhino Rack made?
So we were born and bred in the Australian outback, right? So you've got
enough said, right?
Exactly. If it's tough enough to survive the outback, it's tough enough to survive your adventures in the United States or anywhere else you go. Fully aluminum trays, fully aluminum accessories and bars, right? So we've knocked off that corrosion problem. Any stainless steel and any hardware is going to be corrosion-proof, powder-coated. It's going to handle your salt spray. It's going to handle your UV rays. It's a rack for a lifetime, for sure. And
of course, I might add a warranty. You guys stand behind your products, of course.
Absolutely. We want to be as tough as the adventures you take, so you can give our customer service a call, and we're going to take care of you for everything we can.
And now let's talk about the versatility here. Now we have the bed rack here on this Toyota here.
Right, the Recon deck.
Yeah, the Recon deck. What sets us apart from some other racks we're going to find out there?
First one, safety, right? So we have to operate within the means of the vehicle. So our Recon deck system works seamlessly with your factory rails on your vehicle. So your Toyotas and your Dodge, things that have those racks, we're going to work with those. The system's going to work and be versatile for any of your ventures. So you can outfit this as a single bar, as a two bar. You can put a platform up there. You can put a basket up there. Anything that you want to do with the bed of this truck to double your storage capacity, the Recon deck's going to let you do it.
And let's talk about installation, because that's another concern people will have. Do I need to take this to a pro? Can I do it myself?
Definitely a do-it-yourself-at-home kit. So each vehicle is going to have a specific fit kit that's going to allow the towers and the bars to fit that vehicle. And it's just, it's an afternoon in the garage, an afternoon in the driveway with some friends. All your installation tools are included with the product, and we make it easy on the instructions step by step. So definitely something you can take on yourself, or if you're comfortable, take it to a professional.
Let's quickly brush through the step by step. We just installed this a few minutes ago, and it didn't take long at all.
Right on. So we recommend just getting everything mocked up, open all your parts, check all your instructions, make sure your hardware is there, make sure all your pieces and you understand what they are. And then you're simply just going to pop out the end caps on your rails, follow that in with some hardware, line everything up one piece at a time, build it from the ground up, right? We started with the towers, then we added the crossbars, then we added the north-south bars, and if you wanted more adventure on top of that, you just keep adding your accessories.
And let's talk about accessories. What kind of things can I put on my rack from Rhino Rack?
Sky's the limit, right? So from rooftop tents to traction boards, shovels, recovery gear, kayak racks, storage boxes, all of these things. Whatever you can dream up, we've most likely got one of 100 accessories that'll fit that.
Lots of accessories from Rhino Rack. You brought a couple to show us. Let's see what you got.
So we've got the new large Stow-It. This new product is one of our launching the Stow-It families. This guy here is a multi-tool holder. It's going to hold something at about 2 to 3 inches in diameter, so you're going to be able to get an axe or 2 axes and a shovel or whatever it is that you want to put in here. This is a pretty versatile product in our new Stow-It lineup. Something else that comes with is an insert for a high-lift jack. So we all know how difficult those things are to carry around.
They always rattle.
They always rattle.
You can never find a way to keep it secure, lock it up or anything.
That's right. So we've answered all those questions, right? With that insert in the pin, we can close this down. You can see it's going to surround your handle and it's going to surround your I-beam. It's going to work with our master lock fit sets at Rhino Rack. So this answers that, and this bracket here is going to allow you to mount that to any surface. It doesn't have to be mounted to a roof rack at all. You can put this on a trailer, you can put it across your hood like guys like to do. Anywhere you can put that, it's going to hold your high lift jack for you.
And all these, of course, detach really easily because you have this system here.
That's right. Our Stow-It starter kit's going to allow you to get home, right? We always have to find a place to put this stuff. So say you want to change it out for the weekend, you want to put an awning in place of a shovel, or you want to just take the awning off because you don't want to drive to work with it on Monday. The Stow-It starter pack system is going to allow you to have a different set of mounting brackets that'll leave the foot on the rack, and you can remove the accessory when you get home and stow it for safety, just for convenience, fit in your garage. And when you get out to adventure, you can snap that back on, and one bolt's going to hold it in place for the whole trip.
For weekend warriors as well, you have the quick mounts.
That's right. So, yep, our quick disconnect leg system. It's going to have our quick disconnect feet. So these are going to slide in, allow you to drop it into its base, and once it's attached to the vehicle, they'll snap back out. They'll sit right into a little base. It also comes with a cover, so if you get home and you want to take the whole system off the bed of your truck, the whole system off your roof, you can take it up, hang it out, or even switch it out for something different if you want to.
Rhino Rack can carry all the gear you need to get into trouble but you can also carry the gear to get us out of trouble as well.
Absolutely. So with the Max Trax lineup, we've got a full range of recovery boards from the absolute extreme. If you're getting into the worst trouble, the extremes are going to take care of you, all the way down to something like a daily driver with our brand new light edition boards, right? Something we want to consider like a spare tire, right? If you can get into the trouble, we want to get you out of it.
With Rhino Rack, it doesn't just stop with Max Trax. They have a full line of recovery gear. You can find all of this and a whole lot more at rhinorack.com. And you can find more Motorhead Garage presented by Dragonfire Tools.com right after this break. Don't go anywhere.